Hey everyone, what's going on? This is the hair care video. I just want to share my hair treatment experience with you. First of all, I would like to show you my hair. What's it like? I had a serious hair loss problem. It's every guy's worst nightmare to lose your hair. That's like your youth, your vitality. You do not want to lose your hair. I was going nuts. I did a bunch of research on different products. I tried a bunch of different products. I was tempted to go to the doctor and get Propecia, but then I heard that Propecia can do some pretty nasty things. Research it, you'll find out. I was going to start minoxidil. Um, Same thing. Apparently, as soon as you stop using it or you don't use it, you just start shedding even worse than before. And when you do start using it, you shed really bad. That kind of defeats the purpose. So I was looking for something to stop my hair loss. My hair was really dull. It would crack, it would break. And my hairstylist and further research on the internet suggested that I use Argan Life Ultra Nourishing Treatment oil, shampoo, hair treatment product to cure my hair and prevent it from shedding. And so I checked on the product. It's got vitamin E, omega 3, unsaturated fatty acids, but it's sulfate, silicone, and alcohol free, which is very important. Alcohol dries out your hair, dries out your scalp, it makes it fall out. Um, and I use Argan Life Ultra Nourishing Oil treatment every single day. Apparently, it also kills DHT in the hair follicles, which is responsible for attacking and miniaturizing them to thin and eventually make your hair fall out. So it does have anti-DHT qualities to it as well. So doing the research, it's all natural. There's no chemicals. There's nothing harsh about it. And before taking a bath, you pour some ultra nourishing oil onto your head and spread it across the hair so it becomes applied from tips to roots. After that, I massage and rub it into my head and use a brush or a comb to kind of evenly distribute it amongst every strand. Um, I wrap my head in a hot piece of cloth or a towel for some time, and then I wash my hair. I do all that before washing my hair. I wash thoroughly with a hair care product. Um, and how do I apply it? I apply enough to wet the hair and massage gently throughout my scalp and the hair. I do it for 1 to 2 minutes and I rinse thoroughly with warm water. After 6 months, my hair it looks great. It looks healthy. It's shiny. It's thick. It's strong. I'm not shedding. I used to go like this, and strands of hair would fall out. I'm talking like literally like 20 strands of hair would fall out of my head. It doesn't happen anymore. I strongly recommend Argan Life Ultra Nourishing Oil Treatment, hair care product to people who have hair loss problems and who have weak or dull hair. The website's arganlifeproducts.com. I mean, the first week you start using it, you will see a difference. But if you use it up to 6 months, I'm telling you, you're you're golden. I use it every day, and it's great. So, just a little tip for the rest of you guys: if you're looking for something, beware of everything else because it's really harsh.